Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Before we start talking about Apple Watch Ultra, let's talk about something else for a while. Look at this. I have 25 smartwatches over here, and I also have 25 other smartwatches which I actually don't use. These 25 smartwatches that are the ones that I use once in a while. Definitely I have a thing for smartwatches, but all these started when Apple has released first generation Apple Watch in May 2015. I still have that one. This one is a stainless steel edition, and I actually have bought the most expensive stainless steel edition. I mean the most expensive band with this stainless steel edition at that time, and after using this smartwatch for 1 year, I was like totally fascinated with smartwatch thing. And yeah, in past 1 or 2 years, as I have reviewed a lot of smartwatches, a lot of different smartwatches, I have kept the ones that I like in this studio, and the ones that I don't like, yeah, those are in my garage. I have many other smartwatches. And as a person, not as a tech reviewer, I believe in value for money. Look at this. I have bought this Keyselect Laura for my girlfriend. I didn't buy an Apple Watch for my girlfriend because I believe Keyselect Laura offers a very good value for money, offers almost accurate health monitoring, and yeah, this one is much more fashionable, looks much more premium on the wrist of my girlfriend. So that's who I am. And at the same time, I have bought 2 Apple Watch Ultra, one for myself and another is for my son. But why did I do that? Yeah, we are gonna talk about that. And in last 10 days, I have received a lot of questions, a lot of messages, a lot of comments. And the biggest questions that I have had are things like, is it only for the athletes? I mean the Apple Watch Ultra. People wanna know whether this is only for the extremely adventurous people, or can an ordinary user get benefited from this Apple Watch Ultra? Is it too big and uncomfortable, or is it too expensive for its features and the specifications? I'm going to try my best to answer these questions in this video. But first and foremost, I'm not a diver. I don't climb big mountains. I don't run marathons. I use smartwatches to keep track of my activity, sleep monitoring, health monitoring, connectivity, and convenience. So definitely I'm an ordinary user who needs the best out of his smartwatch. So let's see, being an ordinary user, how I feel about this Apple Watch Ultra, and then maybe you can relate my story with yours. And yeah, as I always share honest opinion, maybe depending on my views, you can decide whether you want an Apple Watch Ultra or not. But as this is an expensive gadget, I would say only check this product, only go for this product if you have a budget of $700 US, or if you have enough money which is burning a hole in your pocket. Other than that, don't go for this one. I cannot recommend this to the people who have saved their hard-earned money, and I really cannot let them spend their hard-earned money on this one. Rather, there are a lot of alternatives that you can buy. But one more time, if you have the budget, if you are ready to get the best, you should check this Apple Watch Ultra. Anyway, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And yeah, I always share honest opinion, honest content, so please subscribe to this channel and support honest content.
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
From 2015 to 2021, Apple has released many different Apple Watches. First Gen to Series 7 all had that same outlook and appearance. It was the same design with a few updated hardware in it. It has already lost its fashion value and own unique identity. So yeah, Apple Watch Ultra has brought back the excitement and fashion vibe. It has international orange colored extra button. This color is used in aerospace industry, and obviously this gives Ultra an unique appearance. It has a bigger crown, and finally, it has its own unique identity. It's different, it's rugged, and at the same time, it's fashionable. Okay, there are a lot of similarities between Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra. The same SoC S8 is used in both the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Ultra with the same health monitoring sensors. Both have always-on retina display, both have fall detection, high-G accelerometer and gyroscope. But yeah, there are a lot more differences than the similarities. Apple Watch Ultra has larger display, higher pixel density. It's a flat panel, while Apple Watch Series 8 has curved edges. Apple Watch Ultra has almost twice peak brightness, exclusive Wayfinder watch face with night mode, dual speaker and 3 mic array, dual GPS and siren, almost double battery life. When you put all this together and when you need these features, yeah, there is a very big difference between Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Series 8. Yeah, there is an argument that Apple Watch Series 8 comes in two different variants, aluminum case with crystal front glass and stainless steel with sapphire crystal front glass, while Ultra has only one variant, titanium case with sapphire crystal front glass. So actually we can buy two Apple Watch Series 8 smartwatches, the aluminum edition, for the price of Apple Watch Ultra. But Apple Watch Ultra means ruggedness. Apple has marketed Ultra as it is made for extreme conditions, for the people who like adventures. It is for athletes, for recreational divers, mountain hikers. Apple Watch Ultra is definitely more rugged than any other Apple Watches out there on the market. But does that mean we the general people don't need these? I think I have already talked about this. Let's check 3 facts. Number 1. Apple has marketed this Apple Watch Ultra that this one will offer 36 hours of battery life, while this Apple Watch Series 8 will offer 18 hours of battery life. Yeah, the truth is, I have managed to get 18 hours of battery life from this Apple Watch Series 8, but I have managed to squeeze more than 50 hours. I have managed to get 52 hours and then 56 hours. I have been using this Apple Watch for almost 5 days now, and after I have fully charged it for the first time, it has given me 52 hours, and then again when I have fully charged it, it has given me 56 hours. So definitely battery life is more than twice of Apple Watch Series 8. I have already shown I have a lot of different Apple Watches from different generations. Yeah, it's countless. Like how many times I have bumped the edges of this display panel of my Apple Watch into an object and I was like worried, oh, there is a scratch. Yeah, most of the time there weren't any scratches, but sometimes there are some scratches. So I was always looking for a flat panel Apple Watch which would come with better protection for its display panel. Here, now I have it, this flat display panel, as this Apple Watch Ultra comes with a flat display panel, and as the edges of this display panel are protected by a titanium case, I feel more comfortable, and this one is much more protected than any other Apple Watches. Number 3, the third fact is, nobody is talking about this. Apple Watch Series 8 stainless steel edition costs $749 US. That makes it only $50 US cheaper than Apple Watch Ultra, which comes with tons of extra features which Apple Watch Series 8 stainless steel edition doesn't have. So for $50 US extra, you are getting a whole lot of features which is unavailable in Apple Watch Series 8. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video that if you can afford, if you have a budget of $700 US, then I think you should push for this Apple Watch Ultra because this one is the first generation Apple Watch Ultra. Apple will always, I repeat, Apple will always take good care of this. They will offer updates for a longer period of time. They are going to manufacture this one with utmost care. They are going to offer better customer support because it will be easy for Apple to push the second generation if the first generation performs. If the first generation dies, if the first generation doesn't perform, it will be very difficult for Apple to push the second generation. Apple always makes the first generation of anything super premium. Not only my Apple Watch first generation, my iPad mini first generation, my iPad Air first generation, I all have over here in this studio, which is still working fine when the newer generations aren't as good as the first generation. That may feel like a myth to you, but that's the truth. You should try. You should think rationally. And the second thing is, Apple always provides the best for their Pro Edition or their Ultra Edition. This is the first Ultra product of Apple. They have been pushing the Pro products. Yeah, the Pro products are way better than their usual products. So this Apple Watch Ultra should provide better performance for a longer period of time. And number 3, finally, If you really want the best, then who would provide you the best other than Apple? Even if Apple is expensive, I believe in some segments they are the best. So it depends on you whether you can afford this Apple Watch Ultra or you really need this Apple Watch Ultra so that you push yourself. I would say nobody requires this Apple Watch Ultra if he or she or they cannot afford this. This one is a luxury item with a lot of features. If you have the money, go for it. If you don't, just forget it. There are a lot other alternatives available in the market. You should check those. And if you want to know about the Apple Watch Ultra alternatives, subscribe to this channel, stay tuned, and I'm gonna publish another video soon with 3 other smartwatches which offers the best value for money. If you have a tight budget, you should check those products. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And yeah, there is an international smartphone giveaway going on for the subscribers of this channel. If you are subscribed to this channel, then what you have to do is to make a valid comment, a comment related to this video. I will choose the best comment depending on my affinity towards the comment. And yes, this is an international giveaway, but please don't spam. Spammers will get disqualified.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with.